Hello and welcome to another week. So, after our week meeting last time, I have incorporated the adjustments and I look forward to seeing on how well they work for you guys. This Tuesday, for example, we have our tutorial session. I've reorganized it. I've renamed it. It's in its own little bar here. This is a great indicator and reminder for you about that synchronous session. And just so that we're all on the same page, synchronous means same time. Live means through a Google Meet. And so this will be a synchronous time for you guys all to come online and do your tutorials during our Tuesday session during third period. So when third period ends at 11:30, you guys can log off and enjoy your lives. But starting third period on Tuesday, we're all hopping on. And even if I'm not virtually with you online live, I am still going to be with you guys synchronously. And so don't hesitate to email me and ask me questions. I'll be able to check in to see how you guys are doing. And so on Tuesday, that's going to be that expectation. I did make an announcement so you can be reminded in case you forget. The announcement will go out at 10:35. Just as a reminder, after your second period ends, to be able to hop on and knock that out. So make sure that your emails are on and your notifications are on so that you will notice that reminder being sent out. Note check, due at the end of the week. There will be no peer reviews for the note checks. And last week, we had our half week with conferences. The week before that, we had our SMART goals. And so I wanted to give this week a chance to just do some reflection on those SMART goals. And then next week, we'll continue doing those SMART goals like you guys wanted. So thank you. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Take care.